Ladies and gentlemen, you are welcome back to today's edition of Top Gossip 24, the weekend part of the show that we always do. I greet everybody. If you are in Ghana, good evening. If you are in the UK, good evening. If you are in Germany, good evening. If you are in the US, depending upon the state you are, I give you a very, very good evening or good afternoon as well. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. And today is another day. We are about to hit the ground running. The way are Etienne Pepepe. Invite somebody, bring a friend to bring another friend, and let everybody know that Top Gossip 24 is here with a weekend edition, the hottest edition of whatever we're talking about. We are all in this together, and we have our brother from the South African part of the world also being with us with this kind of situation that we are in. Today, we have to deal with this situation that is here. We are not here to promote violence. We are not here to promote anything bad. We are here to caution people, and we are here to let people know that, you see, you cannot travel to someone's country and go out there and think say you can do whatever you want. So before we go on, no, I'm just gonna make sure I play the Ghana national anthem. After the Ghana national anthem, I'll come and read something brief at the comment section, and you can see that it's in red and it's rolling out. I need all of you to also read it. There's a disclaimer at the end of it, and we are not promoting any kind of violence here, but we are here to discuss what is going on because it looked like tension is rising up. War has just begun in between somewhere in South Africa, and we think that if we don't bring these kind of programs and try to caution the people that are doing all these things out there, no, a bit to me, affect some people who are not even part of what is going on. That is why we are here and we're trying to do what we have to do. I'm going to show you a lot of videos today. I have everything packed. I'm going to open the phone line, and I'm going to speak to somebody from South Africa. I have a ghost team member in South Africa that I'm going to put on the line today. And so I need all of you to stay with me and share the live stream to a brother, to another brother, also to join us on the feed. I'm going to open the phone line, like I said, but before we do that, you guys know this program without the Ghana national anthem, no, we will not start the program. So I'm going to look out for the Ghana national anthem, and then I'll play the Ghana national anthem briefly, and then after that we'll start the show. Tell everybody that Top Gossip 24 is here. Joining. I'll need to have like 120, 150 people today on the live stream. Thank you guys all, and let's go and listen to the Ghana national anthem. It's very important we do so, because the national anthem will give us the kind of energy we need. You know, the words in the Ghana national anthem, no, Ghana national anthem, no, pa 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 pa. So sometimes when I want to start my live feed, I want to make sure I play the Ghana national anthem so we all hear it. Let's go and listen to the Ghana national anthem. All right, guys, thank you so much. Yesterday, Ghana played against Australia and they lost the game massively. It was something that some of us were not expecting. This is just by the way, right? We lost the game, and people keep asking what is going on with Ghana. What is going on with Ghana? Otoado, what is going on? And a lot of bashing is going on already, but that is not the reason for which we are here tonight. Okay, we are here for a reason. Thank you guys all for joining this live feed. God bless all of you. This is your humble servant right here on this platform, Top Gossip 24. I want to read something briefly before we start the show. Okay, it is very important that I do so, because I don't want anybody to feel that we are promoting violent. Okay, we are not promoting violence. And when I want to start the whole thing, I was looking into it. So the topic for discussion today is the war has just begun. The Igbos have activated the South African anger. Okay, a ghost team member speaks tension. A ghost team member speaks tension is rising in South Africa. Has discussion around Igbo presence and the community reaction continue to spark debate. In this video, a ghost team member share his perspective on the growing anger, the current situation on the ground. Okay, I'm going to interview somebody from South Africa. He's going to tell us what is going on the ground and what many people are saying behind the scenes. This conversation explore the concerns, okay, reactions and warnings being discussed, okay, while highlighting the need for peace, understanding, and lawful solution to avoid further conflict. Watch until the end to hear the full message and understand what is really happening in South Africa today. For the disclaimer and for the purpose of what we're doing, this video is not for informational and discussion purpose. It's for informational and discussion purpose, okay, only. It is not to promote violence or hate against any group or nationalities, okay? The goal is to inform and to encourage peaceful dialogue. Subscribe for more updates, like and comment on this platform, Top Gossip 24. So I want to make sure I make things clear here on this page. That is why I have to go for this disclaimer, because I don't want it to be like somebody would think that you are promoting ABCD. I'm not promoting ABCD. We are trying to say that it is not good for certain group of people to go to a country where they don't belong, and all of a sudden they want to try to rock shoulders with the people that the place belong to them. Okay, so basically we are trying to advise the Igbos that have scattered across the world, and they think that they are better off than anybody to disease from some of the activities, because they started from South Africa already. They started those things in South Africa, and the South Africans rise against them. Now they try to do it in Ghana, and that is how come we have somebody by name the self-acclaimed and battle Igbo King Chief, or whatever their name is, Ambassador Chuku the Jude, okay, the fake one for that matter. Now Chuku the Jude has been silenced in Ghana for now. According to the information reaching me and according to what my ghosting is telling me, he's working underdoor and he's doing a lot of things behind the closed doors. Also, according to my ghosting, he's been in contact with this particular Igbona guy all the way in South Africa, and whatever the Igbona guy is doing in South Africa is as a result of what Chuku the Jude is trying to push through in Ghana, and that is why this man is also copying that to bring out whatever he wants to do in South Africa. Now, there is an information out there, according to what I'm hearing, and my ghost team will come and confirm that, because my ghost team hears something and he told me. I posted a video about that, and that is coming to happen in the next 2 days from today in South Africa. It's gonna be hot, it's gonna be massive, it's gonna be too much hot for the Igbos living out there. But the problem is this: the problem we have is that the people living in East London, okay, the people living in East London, they don't know the difference between Nigerians, they don't know the difference between Ghanaians, they don't know the difference between Zimbabweans, they don't know the difference between Namibians, they don't know the difference between any other country living in their jurisdiction. What they do is the moment you speak English, they know you are Nigerian. So you see the problem these people are causing for us. You see the problem they are causing for Ghanaians living in South Africa as I speak with you. You see the problem they are causing for us. They are going out there causing problem because of their personal interest and their personal gain. Guys, let's share the live stream. We are 9 minutes into it. I'm going to show you videos where this man there, okay, this very man, Igbona, okay, Igbona is panicking. Out of the panicking, we're running into Facebook Live, and he was making videos trying to say so many things about Ghana, South Africa, and Yorubas in Ghana and all that. He's trying to complicate everything. And our brother Kweku Africa was the one that actually put all this thing together. He said he jumped onto his live stream and got a lot of information with respect to what he was trying to say. And I'm going to play that video from the start, and I want you guys to listen, because these guys, they have a peculiar problem. The peculiar problem they have is this: All they want to do, right? All they want to do is to make their presence to be felt anywhere they go. Every Nigerian, including the Igbos, everywhere they go, they want their presence to be actually seen by anybody at all around them. So whatever they are doing it to make sure say people will talk about them, and then they know when you talk about them for some time, you accept them because you think that that is who they are and that is how they behave. Okay, now I'm going to play that video in a jiffy, and I want you guys to listen to this man very carefully, and then listen to what our brother Kweku Africa will also put out there, because it is very important we understand what these guys are doing. Senior Beya Ghanaians will copy what the South Africans are doing by ensuring that we'll hit the street come 25th April 2026. Come 25th April 2026. I'm doing this program because I want every Ghanaian living in a diaspora, living in Ghana, listening to me, to watch how the South Africans are trying to approach this issue, because they understand and understood the time. It's like when whatever they said in the Bible, if you understand the time and the season, you don't allow people to enter into your home and start doing things. I'm also going to play a video from one Nigerian guy who think that whatever they are doing in Cape Coast is wrong, and you explain certain things, and also Uti say these people are into invade. They are in to do what? Invade. Whatever they are doing, they are lying. They will tell you, say, oh, wait, there is not like that. There's nothing like that. We are here to do this. Now, let me go play that video, because I don't want to talk too much without you seeing the video I'm talking about from Kweku Africa. I posted that video this morning, and I don't know how many of you actually have watched the live streaming, but my video. But if you've not, no problem, you can go back and watch that, and the filler that was given to me. Now let's play this video right quick and listen to this guy. I don't want to call him name, Obibeka, listen to this imbecile. I don't want to.
You can never be king in somebody's land.
Now ask this guy, listen to me, guys. He's saying that you can never be a king in somebody's land. Now, what kind of easy or Igbo, whatever name was given to him, the title itself means that a chief and a king, for that matter. So if he's running to Facebook, you see him, he ran quickly to Facebook to defend himself. Look at this man. Oh, after he was given the position and people say there was a coronation or whatever it is, no, now he ran to Facebook Live trying to defend himself, because he knows that in the next 2 days to come, the people living in East London, who I understand that they are not even fully Zulu people, they speak a different language from Zulu, and they are very, 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 very difficult people. Since he noticed that in the next coming days there will be a massive demonstration where people will do what they want to do to stop whatever is going on. Listen to him when he comes to Facebook.
You can never be king in somebody's country. You want to protest now to go and steal people's goods, entering checkers and pick and pay game.
Now, South Africans, listen to me very carefully. You see what this man is saying? He's saying that you guys are planning to go and demonstrate because you have the intention to go and steal. You see what he's saying? When you invade into somebody's country, when you invade into somebody's home, when you enter into somebody's home in South Africa and you try to give yourself a title and they are trying to take you out, they are trying to say, no, Mr. Man, you cannot be a chief in this place. You cannot. Now they want to demonstrate their fundamental constitutional right. They want to demonstrate. You are now calling them names and saying that if they demonstrate, they will go and steal. You see, South Africans, you see what this man is saying? I believe that most of you have seen this video, though. South Africans, have you guys seen this video already? South Africans, if you guys have not seen this video, this man per this video is saying that you guys are not interested in demonstrating. You guys are interested in invading into people's shop and stealing their mobile phones and taking their goods. That's basically what he's saying. Now let's listen. Let's listen. Let's listen. Let's listen.
Everywhere, stealing phone, because that is their plan. Because anytime you protect.
So he's saying that the people, the Zulu people, or the people in East London, the protest that they are calling for is not a protest. Their main idea is to steal. That's basically what he's saying. This man, me say, Papa we no, the ese omuche no, tia umutie die. Me kano brofoma obi be fi say me promote it. Mami come tune. Papa we no eso mu che no na omu guano. You understand me? Konu ganke mene sana mole ni asale ke abeleba ona abele ke abeleba emonwe agbele na ke sapapa ni. Because you see, you travel to somebody's country, you went there for business. Instead of you to concentrate on the business you are doing, you allow yourself to be given a chieftaincy title. Now when the people living in that very community see that no, whatever you are doing is wrong, and they want to demonstrate a mega demonstration coming up in the next 2-3 days, according to the filler I'm hearing, now this man ran to social media, Facebook, to defend himself. Guys, let's share the live stream. I need us to hit 100 today in the next 30 minutes. Please, 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 let's go. Let's listen to him.
You want to rob many shops.
Rob many
Please
shops.
Do not allow Yorubas to destroy South Africa the way they
Listen to me, guys. Or see, do not listen to Yorubas. You see, the tribalism that have actually caused Nigeria to be soaked into trouble and problem. They think that they can go to other countries and do the same thing. You see what this man is saying? Do not allow the Yorubas. And then you mention Ghana. You are just allowing yourself to be fooled, bullied by Yorubas and Igbos in Ghana. Then I don't know what you are thinking. This man has exposed them to the core. Listen, he did. He exposed them to the core, and he was comparing their action in Ghana to what they are doing in South Africa.
They want to destroy Ghana. Now, president of Ghana and Ghana people have understand that Yoruba people,
Ghana, and it's only the president John Dramani Mahama has understood, because he's from Yoruba. He is the only person that understands. Oh, Mr. Igbo, we the people, we have not understood anything. We haven't. I'm telling you without missing words. We have not understood anything. We are still standing where we stand. If you are an Yoruba person, you are an Igbo person living in Ghana and throwing your weight about, I am here to tell you that no, you are a foreigner. If you don't have documents, know yourself so you can start packing. Before I enter into the studio, I get some video, and it was unbelievable. These guys are using another strategy to enter into Ghana. Hey, Erade. And I'm willing to speak to the person that put the video across, so he will just tell us what he saw today. Unfortunately, no, my friend, I'm in San Kano, but I'm praying that I'll be able to get hold of him before I finish the show. So he'll be able to tell us how that happened, where those guys passed. See this man, he's already putting confusion out there, saying, say, the way Yoruba for now destroy Ghana. Yoruba for destroy Ghana for where? You, all of you. So don't come and
are useless in their life. Are useless, are coward, are chameleon. Now that Igbo Ghana are still living there doing his work.
What kind of work is Igbo doing? Instead of he's hiding and doing things, and we are digging him. If somebody is listening to me, you should tell Chief Ihinetu or whatever, Ambassador Ihinetu, whatever his name is. It is only John Dramani Mahama that will allow you to do what you are doing. Oh. When there's a new king, there will be a new law. I'm telling you. For now, enjoy whatever you are enjoying because of John Dramani Mahama. Guys, let's keep moving. I need to see 100. Let's keep sharing. Let's keep sharing. Let's keep sharing, guys, please. Let's keep sharing. Now, if you come online and come and be saying that Yoruba for ASA, they've destroyed Ghana. They've not destroyed Ghana. We are coming. The kind of energy we have, you guys will be surprised. The demonstration is coming on, and I'm going to share the flyers of the demonstration very soon. I will share it very, very soon. Now, let's continue to listen to this this guy.
Because he's not the king of Ghana. What is your problem?
So the newly installed Igbo king in South Africa, East London, Solomon Ogbonna Eziko, has spoken for the first time. In fact, he went on Facebook Live for so many hours and I've been able to capture a lot of the things he said. So in this video, we're going to go through and listen to whatever he said. After listening, you leave your comment in the comment section. Let me know what you think after watching everything.
Kill some of your people, thinking you are killing like Igbos.
Did you hear that? He's saying they kill some of their people, thinking that they are killing Igbos. Did you hear? This man is here to expose his own people. Kill some of their own people, thinking that they are Igbos. He's now castigating and blaming the Yoruba people, those living in Ghana, that they kill some of their own people, thinking that they are Igbos. You see, these people are in to destroy. I'm sorry. They are just like the devil, according to the Bible. They came to steal, to kill, and to destroy. Why can't you stay in your own country, Mr. Man? If you think that you are big enough, Nigeria has a vast land. I don't know Nigeria. Me see the war of this thing that is going on in East London has just begun. It has just begun. Because this man ran to social media to go and rant. Because they say, who say, in the next 2 days, no, there will be fire. There will be what? Fire. And he quickly ran to social media to go and do what? Defend himself. I'm not a chief, I'm not a king, I'm just a leader. So why are you guys coronating whatever? If you are just a normal person, why can't you just stay there and do what you want to do? Must you go to the length of doing what you did? Let's continue to listen.
We are not your king. No Igbo man is a king in South Africa. No South African king. Many Igbos who are king in Nigeria are living in South Africa. If you don't know it, you know it very well. ANC know it very, very well. If ANC doesn't know me, they know it's of.
So that is from my brother Kweku Africa, right? I wish I have the long version of the video so I can play everything. That is my wish. But with this small one that I have, it makes sense to me. It makes sense to me that this man has just put some allegation out there that the Yoruba people that are in Ghana, they've killed some of their own people, thinking that they are Igbos. You see? And then when we talk, somebody sit down there. I'm saying that, look, the things we see and the things we hear, and the feeler that we receive every day, I believe strongly that some people in government are not getting that same feeler. They are not getting that same feeler because some of them, their eyes and their hands are already milked together with these Igbos and these Yorubas in Ghana. So they don't care. They think that they are doing the ordinary Ghanaian. And I'm saying that if this government of the day, John Dramani Mahama, continue in this trajectory, thinking that Ghanaians are happy about what he's doing, anybody that will stand for the 2028 election will lose, because majority, some of us will make it a point to campaign and ensure that we split the vote. We split it to the sense that nobody will get 50+1. We'll split it. We'll do the campaign. We'll push it to the latter point. Because you see, we have people like this. How many Ghanaians are able to travel elsewhere and go and be titling themselves? What is going on here? Look, I love the energy the South Africans are displaying. I love it. I'm happy that they are planning to hit the ground in 2 days. And you see, they didn't want to do it during the weekend too. Adwini is sharp because weekends so shop no baby akroso. They want weekdays so they can cause massive traffic. That is the idea. That is what I'm hearing. Guys, it's very, very important. Now, I have another video also. Today, fire for fire. Fire for the fire. I'm going to open the phone line today for close to 45 minutes. I need everybody. Call in. Cherewa dream to Ghana for nefo. Catch Ghana for no. The cowards inside is too much. Before I came on the live, I spoke with somebody. And you see, the reason why some of our people in Ghana are cowards some of them are not joining the demonstration is that they are in bed with some of the Nigerians that are living in Ghana looking for sharp money. They are in bed. They are in bed. And we have to name and shame those people. And when I saw people surrounding Abu Trika, when I saw people going to the courts to go and make noise about Abu Trika, I asked myself so many questions. When you call those same people to go and demonstrate today, would they show up? Would they show up? Would they show up to go and demonstrate? They will not. But they will show up where there is not necessary. They will go there and show up. Now let's go. I have another video I want to show you guys. It's very important. Guys, share the live stream. We want to hit 200. We want to hit 200 today. Share the live stream. It's very, very important. Now, I want us to listen to one Nigerian guy who was trying to explain and name and shame the Igbos and what they are doing. It's not all of them that like what is going on, because some of them, they will suffer for it. And this man makes sense. The sense he was making is that at the end of the day, some people that are not Nigerians in South Africa will suffer the same thing. It is important. Let's go play that video, because to be honest, before I will leave, I will still play that video of this shameful man. This shameful is whatever they call him in South Africa, for running to Facebook to go and do what he did. He was all over the place because he knew, he noticed that this is coming very soon in 2 days. So he decided to go and do what he did on Facebook, trying to name it, to tell people that when they demonstrate, they will steal. Is that what you are telling the South Africans? South Africans, you people have our backing. If anybody is here from South Africa, please share the live stream to all your people in Zulu, in the East Landing. Tell them Top Gossip 24 says that he supports you people. I'm supporting you people. You have my full support. I wish my ghost team will be able to give me a live feed when something is going on there. A live. That's what I wish. But I'm still working on it. Let's go listen to this. Let's listen to this guy. Guys, listen to what this guy is saying. No, listen, it's very important.
When you force yourself into somebody's home without invitation, it is called breaking in and robbery. So which means these two offenses are what? A criminal offense. Now, when you force yourself, you invade another land, another country that already have their customs and tradition, that have their traditional leaders. You bringing your own foreign custom and tradition into that land and crowning a king to be in that land and calling that king the king of the Igbos, Eastern Cape. That is highly sacrilegious. That is criminal offense. That is a disrespect to their culture and their tradition.
Now, let me pause here. So, per what this guy is saying and what we guys know already, I'm calling on the people and the chiefs in the people in Ghana, the National House of Chiefs and everybody. If you guys don't have anything to do in the realms of the spirit with Chuku the Jude, this is what you guys are supposed to do. He break through. It's a criminal offense. He did what? He break through. He didn't ask permission. This is what it is. And so we are calling. Again, we will not stop. I'm telling you, I've said it, that the wrong that was actually done those days before they give Chuku the Jude that leadership must be actually corrected. What you see, they need to correct that, because he break through. And whatever these guys are doing, they want to break through. Very soon, according to the filler I'm hearing, they will also put another leader in one of the African countries. See, their idea is to put all the African leaders, have Igbo leader everywhere. And when you listen to some of their commentaries and the things they are saying, share. We need to get to 150. Share.
And therefore,
your comments are important. Let your comments flow. The comment will bring more people here.
We have just shown the world that Nigeria is a country that has no respect.
Of course, my brother. You guys have respect. Do you guys have respect? Do you guys have respect? My brother, do you guys have respect? Did Nigeria respect any country? Do you guys have respect? I mean, just say, call a spade, and don't call a spade another animal. Please. Say it straight. The country Nigeria don't respect any country in Africa. I'm telling you, they don't. They call themselves the giant of Africa, but they are not the giant of Africa. They are the biggest in Africa, and they will continue to be the biggest in Africa. You know why? The tribalism that have swallowed them and the arrogance that have taken place in their heart is what is killing the country. For me, from where I sit, I feel like Nigeria have to be divided into 4. Those who want to take what they want. Those who want peace, stay peacefully. Those who want war, they should go and fight their own thing. I'm telling you. So whatever they are doing, they are breaking through. They are breaking through into every country they will enter. Now they have the plan that anywhere they go, they will buy land, they will build their own thing, they want to stay there. Even in the East Landing, they want to buy more land and build of everything. Even in Ghana, they are doing the same thing. They have people coming in, they think they are doing whatever. No. And that is why I keep saying that we should stop selling the land to these people. Stop, Ghana for stop. Munja asasiani tong. Edima Nigeria for no. I'm telling you, before we will realize that we are heading towards the ditch, now many. Before we will realize that we are going towards the ditch, now many. It's about time the Nigeria must go syndrome and the preaching of Nigeria must go must be forced. I'm telling you, we can force it. Not all of them will go though, but we will be able to take care of majority of them. And if you have a daughter who want to marry a Nigerian, explain some of these things to them. Let them understand that, look, you are going there because of love, but be careful. Use your head. Otherwise, they will use your head. Use your head before they use your head, basically. So it is important. Let's continue to listen to this gentleman.
For geographical boundaries, we have no respect for rule of law in other countries. We just show that we have no regard for human beings. And let me tell you something about Eastern Cape people. Eastern Cape people, they are as dangerous as the Zulu. That's one thing we don't know. They are very dangerous, just like the Zulu people, but they are very lenient people. They are very quiet. They are very slow to anger. In short, I will say this about all South African men. They are very quiet. They are very slow to anger. And when they get angry, it becomes deadlier.
Yes.
What you guys are doing as the Igbo community, let me let you know something. When the consequences is going to come hitting on us, every Nigerian will pay for it. You see, what we just did there in Eastern Cape is not only a crime committed by the Igbo community alone, it's a crime committed by Nigerians. And every one of us will account for it.
Good. Tell them.
But when we show concern, you people come against us, you come after us, you call us name, you call us tribalistic. When we show concern, but when a tribal war or a civil war will break out, every Nigerians will take a knock.
So you see, this man is trying to advise his own people against tribal war or civil war. And I'm telling you, the war drum is already up. The drum is always almost there. Whatever they are doing, they are calling for civil. They are calling for tribal. They are calling for trouble. And I want to use this opportunity to call on the president of South Africa, Mr. Cyril, His Excellency. Cyril, listen to me, bro. The point here is, this kind of African Union thing you guys are thinking about in your head, we are not there yet. The reason is simple. Some other countries are not prepared to listen, to abide by the rules. And the name of that country is Uzbekistan. I'm begging you, let me stand here. For them, anything at all they see is money. I'm telling you. So it is about time we ensure that before we allow the African whatever you guys are calling for, this country will be purged. This country will be cleaned. There should be a system that will clean this country to the extent that when we are forming the African whatever, they will have it very difficult for them to do what they are doing. This man is advising his own people. When I check in his comment section. Massa, the way they are bashing this guy, guys, let's push it. We are almost close to 200. Let's bash it. We are almost close, guys. Let's push it. I know you guys can do it. We are almost close. So when I checked through his comment section, they were bashing this guy like never before. The bashing was too much. It was out of the world because he's advising his own people to disease from what they are doing in South Africa. And he's telling them that the people in East London, they are even totally different than even the Zulu people. They are more or less like the Zulu people, but they are difficult more than the Zulu people. And they respect their leaders. They respect culture and they understand culture. The problem we have in Ghana is that some of our chiefs have been compromised because of Nokofio. What chief, what manchame kome, ame aheshika. Nokofio na ha me wo amedwomo fe tomo agashi ake DDT wo amedwomo mi ake DDT anyone amemma chuku de judugbe ne fio no ne fio. But I'm praying to God ake shi beni gamfe kome kembane as the people in Greater Accra are coming together and they are putting their past behind. It is a time we eliminate people who are trying to separate us in Accra. And at the end of this video, I'll play one video. So let's continue to listen to this guy because I don't have much time. I need to call my ghost team from South Africa.
Some Zimbabwe will die for it. I have been receiving photos of people that received necklace during the 2008, and I saw a woman that was burnt alive. That woman, I don't know if she's a Nigerian, if she's a Zimbabwe, if she's a Malawian, but as far as she's black, they take everyone as Nigerian. So the consequences of your action is going to affect not only Nigerians, but every African in South Africa. We raise that matter and you insult us. I would like to break it to you people that the Xhosa traditions, you see, they've got a deity. And there are spiritual consequences of what we have done, which could bring curses upon our land, Nigeria. We are already dealing with a lot of curses at the moment. Strange things are happening in our country. Strange things. People are being killed anyhow. And the government could do nothing about it. You have invited the United States of America, and sure, they invited themselves, but still, these people are still intensifying their attacks on Nigerians. And we don't see anything wrong in this. Instead of us to concentrate on looking on how to solve that problem, we are busy enforcing our own traditions, our own customs on other nations, uninvited. On the 30th of this month, there's going to be a march against this in the Eastern Cape.
So guys, you hear what I'm saying? 30th of this month, like I give you guys that filler. So my ghost team was very right. This man posted this video, I think 3 days ago. And then when the self-acclaimed Igbo heard that the Eastern Coast people will be doing a massive demonstration on 30th of this month, he quickly ran to social media to go and defend himself, thinking that by doing that, the Eastern Cape people will not do it. I'll bring my ghost team on the line after maybe this video and then we'll continue. I'm telling you people, they don't need even a police, whatever it is, like Ghanaians. We are seeking to get the police to agree. The people in Eastern London are ready to hit the ground running on the 30th of April. And I'm praying that I will get somebody to run a live stream for me that day. I wish. That is how far Top Gossip want to go. We want to spend to get somebody in South Africa from that part of Eastern Cape to travel all the way down to where they will do the demonstration and get us the live feed. So you know that when we said we're going to do it, we're going to do it. So we're working on it. But to be honest with you, these people are ready to hit the ground running. Let's keep sharing the live feed. It's very important.
How long are we going to have nations marching against us? Are we the only people in this world? In Japan, they call us African touts.
Oh my God.
Our bad reputation is even affecting the growth and the success of every other Africans.
You hear that in Japan?
Are we not tired of being labeled the African touts?
No. Oga, your people don't know shame. Oh. Your people, they don't know shame. Oh. Your people don't know shame, Oga. Your people, they don't know shame. Shame no catch them. They are ready to go every length to be disgraced as a country. Honestly, that's why I keep saying, when you are dealing with a Nigerian, whether Irobao, Imbano, Ichukuko, Ichukukao, open your two eyes as if you are about to fall out, but you still want to see. You see, even in Japan.
Are we not tired of this? I just want us to use our conscience, to judge this matter. If foreign people come to your country, to Anambra or to Onitsha, to come and crown their own king, would you accept it? No Nigerians have answered.
Nobody. They won't accept it. They will never accept it. They will never accept it. So the chiefs and the people living in Accra, Kumasi, Eastern region, Chuku de Jude has so many sub-chiefs. And I am saying that, look, we have to, the demonstration that is coming on the 25th. Guys, we need, if you have to find a plane ticket to go to Ghana to support, please. We need like 1,000 people on the street of Accra. And I'm using this opportunity to call on the people in Bukom, the people in Bukom, the people in Gamashi, Teshi, Nungwa, Labadi. We need the numbers. We need to shake the grounds of Accra. We need to shake the seat of government. We need to send a warning to them. We need to tell them that we are watching. We need to tell them that we are ready. We need to tell them that if they don't take care of what you are talking about, if they don't take that bukasine what you could do, we will punish the government of the day come 2028. And I want some of these words to be on the placards. Take action or lose election 2028. Take action. Do it now or you lose election 2028. That's one thing. The other one is that on the placard, Mahama is a Nigerian. He must go with them. That one also should appear on the placards. So he will know that people are watching. And I'm saying that if you are an NDC member and you think that what is going on, some of us are MPP for Naikasa. If you want me to mention names, I'm telling you, some of us were born into it. Our families, our fathers are still NDC. But when it is wrong, when Mahama is wrong, when the party is wrong, the ministry is wrong, whatever is wrong, it is wrong. And we will say it without missing words, without fear or favor. We'll continue to say it and let our voice go out there. You see what is going on in South Africa now? The South Africans are ready. And that is the reason why they are pushing. Guys, let's go to 300. Let's push. We can do it. We have about 3-point-something subscribers. We can do it, guys. Let's push it. The more you comment here, guys, the more you comment down here, I promise you, if your comment hit more than 500 here, I have 200 and something. If the comment go more, the algorithm will push the video. So everybody comment something. Just find something and comment on. Say something, okay? So what I'm saying is that this particular man, he's telling his own people to stop what they are doing. Even in Japan, they are calling their names.
These questions, the Igbo exactly. None of them have answered this question. You have refused to answer this question. But instead, you call us tribalistic people. We are trying to address the war you are bringing on Nigerians. I would like to rephrase what I said some few days ago. South Africans, they don't know the difference between Yoruba and Igbo. Hausa, Calabar. As long as we are Nigerians, we have all offended South Africans.
Yes. And that is what Ghanaians has to do.
Things about South Africa is that when they want to fight their enemies, they come together, they put their differences aside.
Mm-hmm.
When that war comes,
Mm-hmm.
how many of you will be able to stand it?
Mm-hmm.
Even your ego will not be safe.
There you go, it will
Let
run.
us think about this. Let us be wise
Uh-huh.
about this.
Yes.
And let us do something about this before it is too late.
Good. So this man, there's another video that he also made, and that video will also blow your mind. It's important that I show you some of the videos and what is going on there. It is important because when the South Africans are angry and they are fighting, they don't know if you're Ghanaian. No. They don't know if you're Ghanaian because for them, the moment you speak English, no, you are Nigerian. There's another video. Let's play that.
You know
one.
how South African men fight?
Mm-hmm.
I'm about to show you a video now.
Mm-hmm.
And I'm going to say something about that video. Just watch it. I need to give you an important information about what is going on right now.
Yes.
Watch this video.
Good. So I know most of you have seen this video. And last year, we also tried to do the same. Guys, let's go. We can hit 300. We can hit even 1K on this page. You can. We can, right? We can hit 1K for the first time. So I know most of you have seen this video already. Okay? And somebody is talking about Kwekwanan and Ayarga. I will talk about that in a jiffy. The point here is that you see what is going on? You see what is going on? I reached out to some Ghanaians in South Africa, and they are also going through the same thing because somebody's selfishness has caused this to happen. Somebody's selfishness. And you see, when they do this, people go out there and they call their names. They are xenophobic, they are House of Folk, or they are Kotoko, or they are whatever. That's the question this man is asking you. If any religion or any tribe go to Anambra State to go and install a chief, would the Igbo community in Anambra State accept that or not? They are not able to answer that question. When I was coming here, I saw a video, and I'm willing. I'm hoping that I will be able to reach that gentleman, so he will come and give us something that happened in Accra today. Happened today. Now they are coming into Ghana with another strategy. Hey, Nigerians, they will never stop shocking us. I'm telling you, I'm saying that I don't need a Nigerian to tell me how Nigerians are. I know how they are. So I won't give them 1 minute of my space. I won't. But we are Ghanaian, now you can't want here. 250. Let's go. We can do better than that. Let the comments come. All 250 people, please put your comment in there, and the comment will skyrocket the video. Now let's listen to this gentleman. Let's listen to him. You see that they don't speak English. Oh, la 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 la. The war has just begun, and on 30th is going to be wow. We are waiting. On 30th of April, there will be a massive, uncontrollable demonstration in East Landing, and we are waiting. Hopefully, I'll be able to get another ghost team who is very much closer to give me up-to-date live videos on this platform, Top Gossip 24. But let's continue to play this one now.
Now, that is how South African men, that is how they defend themselves. That is how they fight. Now, the battle and the war has begun.
So you see where I carve my topic from. The battle and the war has begun. That is it. The battle and the war has begun. And I need every Ghanaian watching me on this page. I need every youth from Ashama, Lashibi, Nungwa, Teshi, Gamashi, Labadi, Osu, Kaswa. Every Ghanaian listening to me in Accra. And if you are listening to me in Ho, if you are listening to me in Oti region, any part of the region that you are listening to Top Gossip 24, I am urging you to make yourself available. 25th of April 2026 is a massive demonstration in Accra. We want to shake the seat of government. We want to tell His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, Esiedu Inketia, Sam George, Okujeto Ablakwa, whoever is part of the NDC, including the Council of Elders, we want to tell them that whatever is going on in Ghana is not what we voted for. We voted for a change. We voted for a reset. The reset we are seeing is not what we voted for. I'm calling on all of you to appear. Let's do a massive demonstration. Share the live stream, guys. Share it on our TikTok. Share it in our Facebook. Share it everywhere you want to share it. I've been here for 51 minutes. I have so many videos, and I don't know if I'm going to play all of them. So many.
And the person you saw in that video being beaten is one of the innocent people we have been advocating to our African brothers, our Nigerian brothers, our Igbo brothers, our Zimbabwe brothers. We have been advocating for. Those are the people we are saying that when anything happens, these are the innocent people that will take a knock. Now, do you hate them, Henry? No, I don't hate them. Are they xenophobic? No, they are not xenophobic.
Tio, they are not.
This is war. In
This
war,
is what?
people becomes collateral damage. Innocent people dies. Innocent people lose their life. Even if these people catch me on the road, there is a possibility that they will do the same thing to me. They don't know the difference between a Nigerian and a Zimbabwe. They don't know the difference between a Yoruba and Igbo. They don't know the difference, and they don't care. They don't give a flying F. Foreign national is a foreign national to them. So if you find yourself being cornered by these people, please do not become cheeky to them. If you watch that video, you will see that that guy was cheeky. Anything they ask you for document. If you have your document, hand it over to them. Go on your knees, lift your hands up and say, Viva South Africa. Viva, just be saying Viva South Africa. Viva South Africa. Maybe they might just go easy on you. But if you become cheeky, you want to show them that you have right, you have this, you will lose your life.
So you see, this man is trying to tell us something. We Ghanaians, those that went to the market to go and close a shop, and you have the Nigerians telling us all sort of things. This is what this man is telling us. When we go there to go do this, our president says that as far as he's concerned, Ghana and Nigeria are going to be one auntie. His Excellency John Dramani Mahama, we voted for you for a reason. We didn't vote for you to come and look outside instead of looking inside. TMA, we voted for you to look inside, to ensure the citizens of the Republic of Ghana enjoy the wealth of their taxes, not to allow foreigners to invade and sell in our market. And when we go out there to go close their shops, we have the Ghana Police Service chasing us everywhere. Even when you go to the Ghana Police Service headquarters to present a case about this issue, they will tell you, because of ECOWAS, you can't do A. Because of ECOWAS, you can't do B. All this thing you see is as a result of the head His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. And I'm saying that, and I'll continue to say, if this trajectory continue, Mr. Mahama, whoever you put on for the election 2028, me, in my own capacity, will campaign against the NDC, and they will not get the 50+1. My main idea is to make sure they will not get 50+1. And then we'll go for a runoff. And then in the runoff, we will show them where the power lies. Some of us will go down. We will go down and make sure our presence are felt on live streaming and campaign against them, because they are taking us for granted, because they are allowing these people to come to our country. Now they are using another means to enter into Ghana. Let me just go fast, because my ghost team,
right now we need to start thinking of survivor, because the war has started.
The war has started.
And we want to look for a way to mitigate what is happening, to make sure that it does not go into xenophobic attack, where now lives now will become, wasted. So please, let's be wise. And please, every foreign national, especially Nigeria, on the 30th, please stay indoor, close your shop.
Did you hear that? Me say 30th no basu. 30th no basu life. 30th ebesim boom. This man is advising them to stay in their homes. If you're Nigerian and you are selling in South Africa, I am here to tell you, shut up your mouth and stay indoors. Don't come out on the 30th. 2 days from now, on Monday, ebesoja. On Monday, me see them ebesoja. Hey guys, it's very important to. Guys, let's keep sharing the live. Let's keep sharing the live. Let's keep sharing the live. I'm gonna call my ghost team right away,
because it is not going to be it is going to be nasty. These guys are hungry, especially because of that Nigerian king thing. That thing has awoken the monster in South Africans. South Africans are very peaceful people. They are very loving people. Hence, it's over 10 years now, no xenophobic attack. There's some people you see attacking people on the road. These are the same people we live with. They smile with us, they greet us, despite all that we do, to show that they are warriors. They are dangerous people that are very slow to anger. But we have awoken that demon in them. I don't hate them for what they are doing. They are simply protecting their land.
Good.
What we need to do right now is a way to protect ourselves. So if they corner you, please cooperate. Go on your knees, lift your hands up, and be shouting "Viva South Africa." Maybe that will work. Save your life. That is just all. Don't drag with them. And I got a rumor from someone saying that Nigerians say that they have bomb. Oh, you people will not cease to amaze me. If you like, go and show your muscle. They will kill you. That is it. You will die, and the Nigerian embassy will do nothing. The police will do nothing. In short, there will be nobody to ship to Nigeria. So please, guys, cooperate with these people. They are the boss. They are in charge. They have taken over their country. Let them do their job. Respect them. And from today, let us watch what we put on internet. Let us watch what you say. Please, guys, the war has started.
The war has started. Oh, this is where, like I told you guys, I watched this guy, right? I listened to him over and over and over again. And whatever he's saying makes sense. So the war has just begun in South Africa. South Africans and the people living in the East London has started what they said they want to do. It is very important. Now, I have so many videos I want to play, but because my ghost team, Adisa, it was South African tea. Let me make quickly and let me make sure say I'll call him. Okay, because Adisa, it was South Africa. Let me make sure I put my ghost team on the line for a quick reaction and stuff like that. And then after that, there's one particular guy also in Ghana who just, I saw a video that something happened in Ghana. And if I'm able to reach him, trust me, I'll be very, very, very happy. I'll be very, very happy. So let me see if I'll be able to hang on and get my ghost team in South Africa to get ready and give us some one or two stuff. Okay, it's very important. All right, guys. So I'm trying to reach out to my ghost team in South Africa. He's gonna give us what he thinks right now, and we're gonna make sure. I'm gonna make sure he give us all the filler he's hearing from the Eastern London right now. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, hello.
How are you?
Yeah, I'm good, man. I'm good, Charlie. What's
Hello.
up?
Yeah, I'm also good.
That's great.
I'm also good here. Yeah.
That's good. I'm afraid that maybe they will get to where you are. I'm afraid that they will
No,
get to where you are. Mm-hmm.
the province in which I am, I think, is one of the most peaceful provinces in the country,
Mm-hmm.
and I think all the problems that has been occurring in South Africa has never been experienced in the province in which I am. So I think for the province in which I am is one outstanding one, and I think ever since I've been here, I've not experienced any of those things. But nevertheless, we hear many of them from other colleagues and friends and families that live in such provinces. Especially, I think in South Africa itself, the most dangerous province is uh, we call it. I think it's around Durban there because it's a typical Zulu province. You know, South Africa, we've got 9 provinces. So
Mm-hmm.
and then in the 9 provinces, I think we have 9 provinces, and we have got 12. I think it was 11 official languages, but recently, I think this year also they've added a sign language to it to be 12
Okay.
official languages.
Mm.
So here, uh, basically the our Zulu province, which is around Durban,
Mm-hmm.
I think they mostly, yeah, with Durban. I think Durban is in KZN. Yeah,
Okay.
it's a province. So I think the Zulus basically feel like they are the main South Africans
Okay.
because based on, I think they got the strongest what is it, a kinship system
Okay.
in the country. So you don't play with Zulus.
Mm.
And the one thing about South Africa as a whole is that you don't play with South Africans. When
Mm-hmm.
South African says, "I want this," doesn't matter who the government is. Remember last year, last the whole of last year, the I think basically we got this movement. We
Yeah.
got one called Operation Dudula. It's a movement
Mm-hmm.
led by a woman, and I think recently, I think this and then we've got another one called March on March. It's also led by or funded by a woman
Mm-hmm.
called Jacinta Zuma. So basically, that one is in the Zulu province. And when South African says we want this, there's no government or there's no police. There's nothing that can stand their way. If because remember that during the apartheid period, South Africans fight with songs.
Mm-hmm.
All right. So if you hear them 2 or 3 gathered beginning to sing, then you must not know that what they are
Something is
fighting.
coming. Okay.
Yeah, something's come, and then there's nothing on earth. It doesn't matter which government.
Mm.
I think recently, 24th of this month in Durban, you saw Jacinta and his that is Jacinta is leading March on March.
Yes, I saw a huge crowd.
Yeah, Jacinta is from yeah. Basically, we call them KwaZulu Natal. Yeah, that's the province.
Okay.
KwaZulu Natal comprises because it's and how do you call it, Durban and all the rest. So basically, Jacinta, I think was his. I think both of the movements are fighting against illegal immigration, and
Okay.
then and jobs.
Okay.
So now they feel like the government is failing them. So if government is failing them, they need to what, to rise up to the occasion. So I think last year in South Africa, there's no foreigner that can enter. And remember, even the president stood and then spoke many times against South Africans preventing foreigners going into hospitals.
Yes. Yes.
Whole of last year, no foreigner
Mm.
can enter into hospital.
Wow.
And then remember that we've got a very strong police force in the country.
Mm-hmm.
But when they rise, or like what happened in Ghana the last time that I saw on TV, whereby a police was stopping these people from attacking that Nigerian man that tried to make himself a king in Ghana.
Mm-hmm.
You can't stop a South African when he's striking. When
That is the thing.
Nobody.
Mm-hmm.
It doesn't matter. You can bring the strongest forces on earth. You can stop them until until that person or that group of people are satisfied.
Mm.
Even schools. I remember I'm a teacher here.
Mm-hmm.
I think just a week ago, students told every teacher in the school
Mm.
to go home because the government promised them money and the government didn't give them, so now they are closing down all schools in the country.
The students. Wow.
They can, yes. I said, I am in my class. The students say, hey, I give everybody in this school, or every teacher or every lecturer, the school 20 minutes to vacate the campus. You can't stop. You can't stop South Africans. Even children above 12, 13, 15, you cannot stop them. So for me, I believe that whatever that is going to, I think on the 30th again, there's going to be, I think, the people from Durban or KwaZulu-Natal are supporting people going to this, how do you call it, to this East London. East London is basically found in the Eastern Cape province. It's within the Eastern Cape province. And when the Zulus rise, you must possibility of them burning that person's house is very high.
I told them already.
Almost 100%.
I told them when I made a video.
Because now for them, whatever they feel like, whatever that belongs to us as a citizen, that the government is not giving us, we rise up to the occasion. Remember that as I'm saying, on the 24th, Jacinta, I think it was 1 year of movement, which is March on March. We went to they were marching through Durban, and they even went to they went to the Parliament House, and then I think there was an ANC. Remember that ANC is one of the biggest and oldest
political party
in the country. And
yeah.
then even the one of their members was trying to speak to them. They kick him out. If they strike, even if you are God, they'll strike you down. You see. So now they started what? They started closing every foreigner's shop. You know, as I'm saying that, one thing about South Africans is that, you know, South Africans hate English, or they hate whites.
Okay.
Because they believe that the whites have stolen
everything
from them. Therefore, so that even in the broad daylight, in the traffic, you can be walking, you see South African robbing a white man in the traffic. You dare not talk. If you dare talk, you can be shot to death.
Wow.
So now that is the friction. That's the friction between the blacks and the whites. So now when anybody speak English in South Africa, you are a Nigerian. Doesn't matter whether you are Ghanaian, whether you are Ethiopian, whether you are Zambian, Congo, and what, because they have got this strong hatred for Nigerians, because wherever Nigerians are, you know what they do. They make names. For many of them to work. It's a very big problem. For now, they hate them to the core, so that anybody that speaks English, you are Nigerian. You can be, and then you'll be attacked. That is why on the 24th of March, I think last week, when they were doing that march, they make sure that every shop that belongs to a foreigner
is closed.
And when they give you command and you don't listen, you are in trouble. You see, the same thing that happened last year, that they said no foreigner must enter into any hospital in the country. And they really meant it. That if you say you are a foreigner, that's what, when you're coming into the country, you must have a medical aid that should help you to go into a private hospital. The whole of last year, even me, I had a baby. I was supposed to take my baby to weigh. I went there. They're gonna kick you out.
Wow.
So I'm speaking for the fact that things that even me, I have what.
You have witnessed. So it's not like lying here, guys. You hear that? No. It's not easy.
It's not like somebody is telling me.
No.
I went there with my baby for this immunization. I was not allowed to enter into the hospital.
Wow.
And when they speak, these are the people that are united. If something happens, let's say if it's in Ghana, if something should happen in Accra, and the one person in Accra speak that on this and this day, or the whole of this year, we are closing all hospitals, that we are not allowing any foreigners to enter across the 10 regions of Ghana. Everybody will make sure that
the place is closed.
So that's what all private, all Ghana hospitals, because when you come, they speak their language. Even if you can speak their language, and then they see. Remember that this if you are Ghana and somebody speak Ghana or somebody speak Tree, and he's not a red tree, you know that this person
You know, yes.
is not.
Mhm.
Yeah. So now, they can even beat you up. So
Wow.
when they speak to you, you go in peace without even trying to even tell you what. And what they hate is what is for you
To challenge them.
yeah. And then I'm saying, and then as I was saying, no government. It doesn't matter how powerful you are. When they begin to sing ta cha cha chow, if you're a foreigner, you must run away.
Wow.
Because when one person starts cha 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 or what amantla, immediately you hear amantla, and you are a foreigner, make sure that you
A
leave that thing.
mantla.
Because
You have to
one
run.
person says one amantla, other person far away also say amantla,
Mm.
and then within few seconds, thousands of them are gathered.
Wow.
You see, so they are very united, and then whatever that they want to do. As I'm saying, the whole of last year, no foreigner, and that operation was led by Operation Dudula from how do you call it? Yeah, it was led by this thing, Operation Dudula. Before recently, this Operation March and March also came to join. So now, one thing about South Africa is that watch out. Whatever that happened in Ghana with that Zulu king, that's now everything is silenced. I bet you on the 30th, if I watch it, you see fire burning. On the 30th,
Wow.
you see when that saying cha cha, what Amandla, then make sure that's what there's fire coming. Even as I was saying, even like just last week, as I was at school, when this one came to tell us that no, every lecturer must move out. In front of the gate, there's already burning tires. These guys, they don't play at all. They fight with sticks, they fight with music, they fight with fire. That is why no government, nobody, like the way I think you see Ghana own just for a few days and then you cannot hear anything from them.
Yes.
I bet you on the 30th, which is next week, in East London, basically
No, basically the 30th you're talking about is Monday. It's Monday. Is this coming Monday? 2 days from now.
Yeah, you see. And then you see the massiveness, you see the support, you see that no, the police can only watch, but they can't take part.
Wow. Wow.
The police can, even if common citizens were able to rule or take care of the hospitals for the whole year, that what the president has spoken many times that no, I'm giving you guys the last warning. He cannot. Unlike Ghana, we are very we are very much calm. We are very what within 2 or 3 days, things are done. But these guys can be consistent for a year. The whole of last year, I'm telling you that that difficult now. Many foreigners that got pregnant now this because now it's extremely expensive to go and give birth in the private hospital. So many foreigners I know that are Ghanaians that are distance.
They went back home. They went back to Ghana.
They cannot.
Wow.
They can't sit there in the heat. So I promise you, on the 30th, it's going to be like what happened on the 24th. I don't know if you watched 24th in Durban.
I saw it. I saw the video where they gathered with loud, massive instrument, and they were people were saying it was massive like that. I saw the video.
That's why I'm saying that these guys fight with music. That's why I'm saying that if you hear a mantra and then the music all stands, they got war songs. That is what. Remember that as I said earlier on, I said that is what is used to fight during the apartheid time. If it's Ghana.
Current situation right now in East London.
If you look at Serafina and then all the rest, you can see it is what music. So when the music starts and you're a foreigner, run away. When you hear the music and you hear one person, a mantla, then you know that what you will never be spared. It doesn't matter who you are. You can never be spared. So on the 30th, I promise you, if you don't take time, that man's how do you call it? His house. I don't think that house is going to what
to survive
after Monday.
So you know one thing that happened. I saw him making a video on Facebook Live in trying to defend himself that now I know he's trying to say something so people will not demonstrate on the 30th. And he was rather saying things like the South Africans want to demonstrate because they want to come and steal people's items in the shops and all that. That video is there. If you like, I'll play it and you can hear it in the background and then you can react to it.
Yeah, basically, I know how South Africans. I've been here for almost 10 years, so I know how they do their things. Now, one thing about them is that when they are clearing you, they clear you with your everything. Yeah, that's
Wow.
what I'm saying. That's what I'm saying that if you hear a mantla, if in the business center, close your shop because they wipe you with everything within you. So not basically that maybe they come to steal.
Oh,
But now,
okay. So see, somebody
yeah,
is
not
giving
basically
us, yeah, somebody is giving us the meaning of the amantala. He said that the amantala means let's gather here, and chacha
yeah,
means let's go and kill. Amantala,
you
chacha,
see,
amantala,
yeah.
chacha.
So
Wow.
you see them basically, especially the Zulus, you see them with sticks and then the skin of a cow or sheep around their head, and and they wear what sheep skin.
Mm,
Basically, like I think mostly people and on normal days you see them wearing it. Those are what those are the attires for war. All right. So when you see South Africans in those things, I'm telling you, just as those days during apartheid that even the apartheid government could not even the only thing they were using is what is to and I remember that this guy do not even fear gun.
mm.
It doesn't matter how much you shoot, they still come. You see them more you shoot, the more they come. You see, so like what happened in Durban on 24th, well, just a tip of so not basically that they come maybe they are aiming towards your shop, but they are aiming that whatever that you have in the shop or whatever that make you that make you survive as a foreigner on the land is taken from you.
I see. I think I
So for
have
your
I
shop,
have I have a lot of South Africans commenting here. I'll give them the opportunity to call. If you are in South
okay.
Africa and you want to call through the program to give us the perspective or what you think is going on there, I'll be grateful to have you to join my ghost team as well as he tried to explain the whole thing. So if you are in South Africa, the number you can call me on, right, is +233 592324421. Let me put it here. If you are in South Africa and you want to call, okay, if you are in South Africa and you want to call, I will be happy to pick you or call +233 592324421. So if you are in South Africa and you want to call Top Gossip 24, please, this is the number +922 +933 592324421 on WhatsApp. You can reach me on WhatsApp only. All right. Yeah. Ghost team, just go ahead. Just go ahead.
Yeah. So basically, this movement that I'm talking about basically under what they are fighting under what they are fighting against illegal immigrants. Recently, I think even in this year, most of them also went to schools to say that no, South African first. Whatever I think, whatever their aims are, what are for South African first. That no, why should a foreigner get a place in the school while a South African do not have what a place in the school? All right. So even this year, I'm saying that no, that's why I'm saying that the people are united. The people come together to fight for what they want because they are believing that their governments have failed them, and therefore things that belongs to them, the government is not allowing them to have they don't have a privilege to enjoy whatever that they are entitled to. So what do they have to do? They have to take what the law into their own hands and fight for their own destiny. So basically, those are the missions of those. But it is rather unfortunate that it's rather unfortunate that in as much as they are fighting against illegal immigration, there are people that also have got have got papers, that have got the right documents. But you know, when people are angry, when people are angry,
They
there's no
don't
time
they
for you
don't
to look.
care. There's no time for
Yeah,
documents.
they don't care.
Mhm.
Yeah, because the last time we even said that if you look, if you go to America, these ISIS that are cramping into illegal immigrants, they've got equipment to either make it or for them to know whether this person is an illegal immigrant or
Yeah.
not. But for them, they don't care whoever you are. As soon as you speak English, you're in trouble. So I think now it has come to a time that in Africa, like most of the people in the African countries now do not believe in their government anymore because of what? high level of what corruption.
Yeah.
As we speak now, the minister of police is under investigation.
Wow.
Somebody asked is what they said he's what is part of what the drug locks in the country.
Wow.
Imagine a police minister of police. So now somebody currently somebody now is acting as now we have an acting police minister. So you see, like here, everybody is being held under accountability. There are various police, high profile police personnel, army personnel that are held. And remember, even when Zuma even went on, when Zuma even was taken to a prison. So accountability in South Africa, I think, is
very high.
Unlike other countries, and let me say, let's say Ghana, it is difficult to arrest a minister. It is difficult to take a minister to court. But here, as we speak now, there are a lot of high-profile personnel that are under scrutiny or that are under investigation. So that the people also have said that no, if the leaders that we have put in place are failing us, then we need to do things ourselves. We need to claim our land. That is basically what they are doing. Because in South Africa, I think the Zulu king is the most strongest and highest king, the most respected king on the land. And then imagine the Zulu king hearing that there's another king that is coming into the country. You see, it is a king. Remember that not even from our childhood, we have heard about the Zulu king, the Zulu king, the Zulu king, the Zulu king, the Zulu king. Imagine that now you come from your country whereby they don't even know whether you are legal or illegal, and you become and then you say you are not even a chief, a king of the land. So I think I was also listening to an interview with the ambassador from is it ambassador or what? Yeah, from Nigeria to South Africa, and then he was saying he really also condemned what that man is doing, and then for him he believed that whatever that king says he is, they don't condone it as an ambassador, right? So it means that no, our people, wherever they go, they try to. I think whatever they try to do is to capture a land and then they capture the land and try to but you can't do that thing in South Africa. You cannot do it. You see, unlike what happened in Ghana, that it was just swept under the carpet. I'm telling you, when these people say they're gonna fight, the whole year they'll fight, and then they don't get tired because it is their land and they have got the king. And you cannot come into the country that you are you cannot have two kings in the country.
Yes.
Yeah, and then for their locals, they really believe their kingship system. You cannot defile that. You see, you can never defile the kingship system in the country. So for this, on the text, I don't know, but I see fire. What happened in Ghana? It just like a warm up here in this
in South Africa. So Ghana for Muti. It's just a warm up.
What that happened in Ghana? That police here, students do not even fear police.
Wow.
Students can close down entire universities, entire colleges, entire schools in the country.
Wow.
Yeah. So who are you, the police? Who are you, the armed forces? Who are you, the air forces? Because the people are tired. You said like what happened in Ghana that now they spoke. That man was showing pictures of the people that he has been with the president, with this. Here, you cannot ever see the Zulu king with such things. Never.
Wow.
People, when it comes to tradition, it's a top notch. Tradition is a top notch here. So I'm telling you that for somebody to come and present himself as a king, I'm telling you there's a war.
Do you hear that?
On that 30th, nobody can stand in their way. Nobody.
When I said that, when I was saying that people don't believe, but I saw one Nigerian guy that made a video and he was also confirming that on the 30th is going to be fireworks. And so when I talked to you yesterday, go ahead.
I'm even telling you, just students. I'm telling you what happened to even me just last week. I'm telling you, students, not even adults. that they are what I think if it is Ghana, their student loans were not given to them because now they have to pay remember like they did what national I think this thing we call it this thing NSFAS whereby government paid their fees, government give them stipends, government give them this the housing allowance and those things. The reason why this guy kicked us out of the school is because the government delayed on giving us something for free. That is why you see, if that they can even strike and start burning, they never watch more this kinship. I'm telling you, when they want something, there's nothing that can stop them. There's nothing until you give them, until you meet their needs. You be
Current situation right now in East London.
These guys are closing schools every day. They are closing schools all the time. If I say, they can say this director don't want him.
Wow.
That director must better move or else trouble. You see, so these guys are I think that they are one example of Africa that says that what enough is enough of corrupt leaderships. So therefore, whatever that belongs to us, we must what?
We must enjoy it.
Imagine just a movement marching to schools to make sure that what foreign students are taken out of the school.
Wow.
And then giving a space to a South African. Which country can that happen? Which African country can we have such a movement? Which country can we have such a movement? Which country can you say that no, we don't want anybody to go to hospitals? That the government will sit down on a look. But I mean, basically, I think government tried to stop them. But you know that now people on the continent of Africa, we all believe that what our leaders have failed us, and therefore we need to take what belongs to us. So these guys are very much united, and when they say they want to do something, they are not scared. They are not even scared of them being arrested.
Wow.
They are ready to fight for what? For whatever they believe belongs to them.
Wow.
They are ready. It doesn't matter what they go through. They can even die for it. A few years ago, we have got this student that fought that I think this thing that closed down many what fees must fall that they don't want any university in the country to pay fees. Many students have sacrificed. My man, this is are like they're like, should I say, people fighting for this thing, independence. That's how it is. When they are fighting, they feel like I'm fighting for what a good cause. So it doesn't matter what happened to me, as long as I'm fighting for the good cause of the people. And as we are speaking now, we're not talking about politicians. We are talking about citizens. We're talking about citizens, not politicians. Because all the people I'm talking about are not fighting for. They're not what politicians, but they are what? They are citizens that come together and form what? A movement. That we are fighting for the good thing of South African, and everything that should happen in the country should be what? South African first. It should be South African first.
I see. Before
any other nation. So I mean, I believe that these guys have the strike as they have already started already in what 24th in Durban. I'm sure that on the 30th, even Durban one that happened on the 24th was just against illegal immigration, and they were even joined by their the other movement, which is what Operation Dududa. On the 24th, Operation Dududa was supporting this Operation March on March. So imagine these two powerful movements coming together and going to East London. It's going to be tough.
I see. That make a lot of sense to me. And what advice do you have for the cowards in Ghana? What advice do you have for them? Because we are planning to hit the street in Ghana on April 25th to demonstrate against Chukudi Jude, Ghana Immigration Service, the Ghana Police Service, the chiefs and the people in Ghana for accepting the illegality of Chukudi Jude and his 16 sub-chiefs in Ghana. So what advice do you have for the people out there based on the experience you've seen in South Africa?
think the one thing that one advice I'll have for people, my people in Ghana, is that unity.
Mm-hmm.
With unity,
Mm-hmm.
you can do anything. Because remember that South Africa has been in the news that we live in a global world, therefore we need each other for us what. But the question is, so you see that politicians will always protect their interest.
Yes, of course, yes.
Right? Yeah, politicians will always protect their interest. But in South Africa here, people are bold.
Mm-hmm.
People are fearless.
Mm-hmm.
Police cannot eat anybody who is striking for the good cause of his people.
Mm-hmm.
So now, I think one thing about Ghana is that we sit back, we talk a lot, we make noise.
Yes.
We stay on radio, we talk.
Yes.
But when the time comes for us to act,
people run away to the shelter.
No.
Yeah.
Even if I would lead for me to be taken to prison, I don't care. And what we tell you, if one person is taken to prison, the entire team. That is why, or even the day they take one person to appear before court, that day you see fireworks. The court will be full with
the members of the group.
Yes, not even like the entire country. I can even say the entire country.
Wow.
Supporting that what that person
must be released.
You see, but in Ghana, we are scared. We are coward. We are like, I don't know what, but if we should follow the steps of our people in South Africa, nobody can come into our country and behave anyhow. Nobody can come into our country and speak anyhow. Nobody can come into our country and do the things that what they are doing. Because now in South Africa, the South Africans believe that these people have, or like politicians have in hands of, let's say, the drug locks of what, like, especially they always say they are what, Nigerians. You see, so the people believe that no, these Nigerians have got something to do with the police. They got something to do with what, with the politicians. So therefore, they don't even bother, or they don't even see you, even if you're a policeman or you are what, or you are who. That's what gives them that what. So it's like when these guys are fighting, they are fearless, they are furious, they are angry.
I
so when
see.
they come in tons. Imagine people coming to Accra, people coming from northern region, everybody assembling at what, Independence Square, marching through the streets going to that Chukwudi's house. Who can stop them?
Yeah, if you have thousands of people, the police will just run away. You are right.
Yes, you can't even shoot. You see, you can't even shoot because those are the histories that they know here in South Africa. So when they come, they are furious. So I think that coming that whatever that is going to happen there is going to be that nobody can stop these people. I'm saying that possibility that his house will be burnt is very high. But now Chukwudi is still relaxing and enjoying in his palace. He's still a king there. He's still a king in Ghana. Chukwudi, as I speak, I'm sure that Chukwudi is still a king in Ghana. But here, this man, if he does not leave East London by that 30th, I'm sure if he does not leave East London, I don't know where he's going to hide. But because so Chukwudi sit in his house and still, imagine Chukwudi even still doing press conference. You can't do that in South Africa. You cannot.
Guys, smooth here, dear. Choboy.
Whereby journalists interview Chukwudi. Yeah, you can't. That man that you say he's what here. I'm telling you that if by that time, I'm sure by now he's no more there. I'm sure as we speak now. I think confidently, like I say, because I'm sure he has been in South Africa for many years and he knows what they can do. He knows what they can do. Because they cannot strike you when they don't meet you. When they cannot, they are coming straight to you. They don't hide anywhere. They don't go to parliament. I'm sure that they're not going to march to parliament. They are marching straight to
that man's house.
And I'm telling you that.
Wow.
And the house will not be the same.
All right, bro. Thank you so much. So, I think your network is now giving, your network is now giving you challenges. What I'm gonna do is that I will beg you to put in more work to make sure I'll get somebody in the eastern part. So somebody also messaged me from there, and if you are watching and you are from the eastern part of, I know I have a couple of South Africans watching on the live stream right now. I'm asking them to call through, but I think they are not ready to call. So if I'm able to get somebody from there on that very day of the demonstration, I'll be very, very happy. Let me leave you here because I know it's late out there. Thank you so much, bro. We'll get in touch. Thank you so much. God bless you for that. So, guys, that is my ghost team all the way from South Africa. Like I promised you guys, that is going to happen on this page, So that is from my ghost team all the way from South Africa. Like I told you guys, he's going to give us the perspective and what is going on. I see so many people coming to comment with respect to Niamano Kikenbini, but hey, your eyes are not there when he witnessed some of the things he witnessed. So you can have your own way out of the comment section, and that is fine. If you are in South Africa and you want to comment or you want to join, the number is there: 0592324421, 0592324421. Whilst I wait for the calling, there are other videos that I intend to play, and because of time, to me, I'm more video, but I will still go ahead and play those videos whilst I wait for you people to call, or if you are interested. The number to call is 0592324421, 0592324421. The discussion for today is what is going on in South Africa and the upcoming demonstration that is coming in South Africa come Monday. Come Monday, the South Africans are going to hit the street and they're going to do their thing. And so we are waiting patiently
when
to
you
see
force yourself on a
what
woman,
happens.
it is called rape.
See exactly.
When you force yourself into somebody's home without invitation, it is called breaking in.
Let me find the other video that I'm talking about, and then I'm going to play that video also in a jiffy. It's very, very important that we put these things across, because masa yanyesa wemu that's basically what they will think. Okay, so I'm waiting for your calls: 0592324421, 0592324421.
About an Igbo man being king in Ghana. The issue wasn't just about being king. It was about his overly ambition of acquiring some acres of land in order to build an Igbo kingdom. Today, there is another issue in South Africa of another Igbo king in South Africa. The same South Africa that you people call Zeno. I don't want to continue. The same South Africa that you people say they hate you. South Africans and Ghanaians hate us. Today, you are installing another king in South Africa. It's like some Nigerians do not want peace. To some of you, peace is prohibited in your blood. The DNA rejects peace. Power drunkenness go kill you people. Why can't you people respect the sovereignty of a nation and just be immigrants? It's like some of you have made up your mind that it will be your sole mission to drag the name of Nigeria into the mud. It is like some of you just don't want peace. It's like every single day you have to cough out chaos, misunderstanding. You have to carry banditry and all the wahala and trauma from your country and make sure you migrate together with chaos into other people's country. The people who are already driving you away, that you have named xenophobe, you are installing yourself as kings in their country.
So this is another video from one of our sisters in Ghana, also throwing out it there to Nigerians. And you see, in their DNA, they want to just be seen everywhere they go. I'm waiting for your calls, folks. 0592324421, 0592324421. You can call into the program after that, and then we see 0592324421. So this our sister is also saying that Nigerians, and they keep calling South Africans, say omo is xenophobic, omo is xenohasophobic, whatever the name is, omo egusu from debia Now they are out there installing a chief. Ukokan Musi and your chief. Ukokan. Guys, if you want to join the live stream, okay, so I have a caller coming in 0592324421 0592324421. I have a caller coming in, so let's go quickly. 0592324421. I have a caller coming in. Unfortunately, the call just dropped. I'm gonna make sure I get back to her. Auntie Mary, give me a second. I'm going to reach out to you right now. 0592324421 0592324421. Hello.
Hello.
Yeah, you're online. Please go ahead. Okay.
Okay. Me so me per se me kosa kakra efa edwuma pa na wo ye no. Enya wo nkwa na wo ye. Mo di Ghana esimobo. Na mo ye Ghana ho edwuma me per se me da mo ase. Edwuma na mo ye na edwuma ne so. Na nyame enhira mo. Nyame entu mo nkwanda mu. Nyame mani munan baby amu besi biara ensi mu yie because Ghana eda adija Ghana eda adija intine mene du yena if you are really an indigenous Ghanaian and there was a sorry so mama and no papa if Ghana and there was a sorry because we don't care about the half Ghanaian, half Liberian people. We don't care about half Ghanaian, half Nigerian people. We the indigenous. We are the indigenous, and we have to wake up. We don't. Our system have already been compromised. Ghana has been compromised already. Through since Adekum Kufuor. Ghana has been compromised since Ajekum Kufuor time till today. And so we, the Ghanaian youth, the indigenous, are saying that enough is enough with all this hula baloo that is going on. Enough is enough. Yempese ahowo biara ebe fra ye man yosemu mu yempe ahowo biara wo ye public office say na ye case su biom yempe mahama ba ya starting from Ajekum Kufuor time and Nigeria for be akuna the Yorubas the omu wo ho no mo kura ache. But just say, because whenever the MPP is on, they are scared. Whenever the MPP is on, they are scared to their bone. But whenever the NDC come now, almost said this is the time for them to show us the arrogancy. And we are not going to take the arrogancy. Say, your mom, Nigeria for the deal, so I will you feel. Nigeria for the deal, so you so cry about no say your mom kwanya. Nigeria for the better someone and sana yanom. Nigeria for the better someone di and sana yadi. It is a yadi and some say yademe from Naya Yetiho, Naya Shamudia. Nigeria for I plan bebre, Yama bebre, and one sister to pipeline and 1 mile. Until Mene do. Yes, she had the South Africa for a year.
Very
we
good.
should form groups. Groups are. I ben be anyone more than about betting go to those groups.
Exactly.
To send your South Africa for a year.
Yes.
Groups are. I ben be anyone. So we are one. So we are one. You. Yeah, you see indigenous people in Ghana. And man, you see a man, yeah. And I said, if something is going wrong now, yeah, cause say you're sorry, say and those groups should stay forever.
Yes.
When we form those groups now, those groups should stay forever. Because your politicians, free. He's dead. Say, no, there will be a quite because he likes the way they thrive. He loves it. And so, Ceciano, Yedi, Semana, Abba say yes upon. Yeah, Cassa Chobway. Yeah, now, yeah, be why you're my chairman. To say yes, those time I asked Antoa Jina, you be a Jina, oh, dear Rashida, I asked Antoa. Rashida, one of the young to us in Ghana. Young man, be one, diasporas, but we are young to us. And we are saying that this is the time for Ghana to say, Chobway. I hope what be around what the Ghana. Yeah, Pamano, one Chinese if one to your galam say, oh my galam say, no. And your politicians and I do a mobile. Politicians na the mobile. Politicians na diploma because Chinese China hono. Population no a bruso. I'm a population a bruso. And you know diploma from our prison. And I'm within a mother Guya Galam saying no to you. Yeah. Media China. I hope what any diploma politicians are my hope. I beg you to your gold. This is the level.
All right.
This is the level where we are.
So boy.
Sorry now, yes. Sorry no. Sorry in all corners. And Nigeria from Kwao. There are other foreigners almost who did ya. Or when you say South Africa is a foreigner. Obia store you do ya. Obia store you that show. We are going to get to that level. They are trying and penny for Jimmy for the set. Dear Muyano, Yanin so Yan pet, the millionaire do.
All right.
Muyano, Mukwa, Mubamaya bre, Mubamaya Kola bre, Mubama Hawe Giamai. Say, who she ya? Yes, South Africa. Abrafo from nowhere.
Yes.
And we are not going to sit down for that to happen. Nigeria for no, I say you, crack. And no matter what, no almost say Ghana Jupa into Quadian Susida. It's in the Jumaya and Omobaya. It was said. Yes, so your first support, some men say your support. Now, young Chila will say, yeah, Ghana fool.
All right.
Young Chila will say, yeah, Ghana fool. That dear Piotono was saying, who I show the new one match.
All right.
101.
101. Thank you.
I tell me, Pastor, yeah, any. And then the master mamma came. I just say, yeah, no more one of my die and no. You die and that because of near my apostle. Mahama said repression. You know, all be salon. Yeah, the second cramana. Yeah, and I get yes, I brought for no mobile, mobile, or mother dear. Yeah, yes, but it's a repression all be salon. Yeah, the Shannon and Sakurana Mahama, oh, what you did that yet. Because Mahama many are the go. Because Mahama many are the go. Yeah, this is Shannon, sir. Mahama first scanning point, yes, she. The Ghanaian youth. This is what we are telling Mahama. Says the kind of poor Bisano. Yeah, the Shannon, sir. Oh, yes, you gano. Oh, Famo Biao. Oh, who do you or the Bama Ibrahim Mahama?
All right. But you're running in up, mommy.
The other businessmen now hold you Munyano. You see on guy. Now your border no sorry, no status or tightening your borders. No. This is what we are saying. But that's
all right, thank you. I have another caller from South Africa. I want him to come on and give us something that is going on. Let me see. I'm trying to reach out to him because hello.
Good evening.
Good evening. Your name and where you are calling from, please.
I'm calling from South Africa.
Okay, go ahead. And your name, please. Can you do me a favor if you can lower the volume on your TV set?
Okay, no problem.
Yes. So you can you have 5 minutes, so you can just give us your thoughts.
Yeah, my input in this is that I've been watching here. Those people, the Nigerians, I've listened to another guy from Cameroon, I think, and this guy was telling that South Africans are just having these marches because they are hungry and all this stuff. South Africans are not hungry.
Very good.
No, they're not hungry.
Yes.
And another thing, you cannot come from your country. It's it's just a pity people doesn't see because the media doesn't expose. There was a young lady who was butchered up by Nigerians.
Oh God.
Like she was butchered up like when you butcher an animal, that's how they butcher that young lady. And South Africans must keep on just being calm. No, we can't anymore. This guy on the 30th that has stepped on the toes of the South Africans to crown himself a king of the Xhosas. There's a king in that land. He comes and he wants to crown himself on top of another king. It can't happen. It won't happen. So we are just pleading and begging with our brothers that they must come down a little, but they mustn't come and cause chaos because we don't want any life to be taken. Because as people, as South Africans, we cannot distinguish who is from Ghana and who is from Nigeria.
Yep.
Because your accents are almost
the same. Yes.
So what the result is, we don't want innocent Ghanaians to get hurt because of this stupid Igbo Nigerians. And I'm not going to be apologetic about it. I hate Nigerians for what they are doing in our country.
Okay, so
them.
Hold on. So it's not like you hate them personally, you hate their attitude, right? You hate the attitude.
I hate whatever they are doing in our country. That's right.
All right.
The things that they are doing in our country is very, very, very bad. And the media don't talk about what these people are doing. Our media, our mainstream media doesn't even know. Sometimes we just get the glimpses of the people that's doing YouTube and so on. We'll get the glimpses from there. But these people are doing evil things to our children. And you know the funny part about these Nigerians that I don't like, the fact that they keep on saying they help us. Where were they when our children were dying in the streets for this land? Where were they? Sitting comfortably in Nigeria. Now they want to come here and come and do their own. Let me calm down. Let me calm down.
I know what is going on with you. I know. Unfortunately, we are with you. Ghanaians are with you in this. We want to make sure that we stand by you guys. They are doing the same thing in Ghana. Chukwudi Jude has installed himself as a chief in Ghana. And unfortunate for him, we have the president of the Republic of Ghana buying that idea and in bed with Chukwudi. So Ghanaians, our hands are tied up, but we are also preparing to hit the ground running. And I want us to take we will hit the ground running on 25th of October, and it's going to be massive. And that day, any Nigerian shop, prepare for it. It's not prepare for it, because look, when you guys come in, you guys are coming to do your own thing. Quickly, when you come, you want to settle down with a Ghanaian, a South African, marry them, get babies, start producing, and start doing your own thing. Enough is enough. This nonsense must stop. How many Ghanaians are going to Nigeria to give birth? How many South Africans are traveling from South Africa to go to Nigeria to go and stay there and marry them? Why are you guys trying to distribute your population across Africa? That is the question. Why? Why can't you guys stay in your country?
Why?
You know,
they don't do that. And my brother, I can tell you one thing. In South Africans are not that much in Ghana, in Nigeria, because why? South Africans are not people that like to travel. They are comfortable in their country. They are very, very comfortable in their country. If they travel, it's for, travel like to go and see places, no other cultures and stuff like that. But to say that I'm going to travel for many years, 30 years, he's here for 30 years, what is he still doing here?
Wow. All right. Thank you so much.
That man,
yeah. You can wrap up. I see you
This
put
man
me.
must just leave.
I see you put me in a group.
And my brother, if they march to his house on Monday,
yeah,
that
I know.
guy is gonna be a dead person because he messed with the wrong cultures.
I told people on my video. I heard my ghosting told me that it's coming, and I'm looking for somebody in
he's
East.
Gonna be a dead man if he still goes on, because apparently he doesn't want to even render an apology to South Africans. So what the result is, he will die. And you know, my brother, I'm so upset with our sisters that marries these people.
Oh God, man. I don't know, man. That one, I don't know how I feel. I feel so strong about that. I feel so strong about that. Anyway, thank you so much.
Protect our countries.
We have to.
Okay, it's a pleasure, my brother.
Thank you so much.
Speaking to you, man. Thank you.
Thank you. I see you put me in the group. Is it a group that I can get more information from South Africa?
You can get more information on this group. I just opened it now. I'm gonna take some South Africans now, and then we're gonna talk about it. You will be on this group, my brother. Don't worry.
No problem. No problem. I'm ready, man. I'm ready to support this.
Okay.
I'm ready to support it. Thank you so much, my brother. Thank you so much. God bless
you. It's a pleasure.
All right. Bye.
Bless you too.
All right.
Bye.
So that's our brother from South Africa. And to be honest with you, I'm telling you, phone so I have Nana calling, and I have one other person also calling. Let me see if I'll be able to reach out to and from our brother that is calling from Qatar. I will reach out to you as well. The phone also I for today is hot on this platform. Top Gossip 24 with your humble servant right here. We're doing our best to push this agenda. It's about time that we set the record straight. It's about time that we have to say enough is enough to the Igbos and the Nigerians that keep displaying themselves. My brother, hello.
Yes, hello.
Yeah, your name and where you are calling from, please.
Yes. Sorry. Oh, okay. I'm weak. I'm from South Africa. I just left today. I'm somewhere.
Okay.
But I just want to my 2 cents there.
Okay.
Firstly, let me greet you. Amantha.
Amantra. I'm trying to learn the language. Amantra.
When I'm saying Amantha, you need to say away to.
Okay. Say it again.
Amantha.
Away to.
That's good. That's good. Now you're a good learner.
All right, go ahead, my brother. Go ahead. That's another South African, guys. Go ahead, please.
No. I just want to tell you something regarding this guy, the so-called Igbo king in South Africa. If I was him, I was just gonna advise him to just retract all those things happen, because it's gonna be a problem for him. But now it's going to affect most
Africans. Yeah.
Because to be fair, South Africans, they cannot differentiate the Nigerian and the Ghanaian. Okay, that's the problem. They cannot differentiate the Ghanaian and the Nigerian. Hello? 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 I don't know what happened with, is it my line or what?
Hello?
Yes, hello?
Yeah, keep going. I'm listening.
No, I was saying, the funny thing is, most of South Africans, they cannot differentiate the Nigerians and Ghanaian.
Yes, we know that. We know.
That's a problem. That's a problem. Let me tell you something. My neighbor, next door neighbor, is a Ghanaian. My next door neighbor is a Ghanaian. He's been staying there almost 20-something years. Okay, he came to South Africa a long time ago. But the guy, he came there but now we end up marrying South African. Now the guy is okay with us. He even joined our monthly societies. Understand what I'm saying? So we just took the guy as our brothers because of his behaviors.
Okay.
He's working. He's not doing all those funny businesses. He's working nicely with us.
Okay.
But now, the thing that I don't like with these guys, the so-called Giant of Africa, because they're calling them Giant of Africa. I don't understand why they're calling themselves Giant of Africa, whereas they're doing opposite of it.
Yeah. That's the problem with them though, but we have to make sure we keep them back to where they belong. You understand what I'm saying? Even if you want to stay in someone's country, keep quiet, mute, don't cause trouble.
My advice to the so-called king of Igbo in South Africa, let him just withdraw whatever happens, and then maybe just go home for a time being. Because what will happen on the 30th, I don't want to witness those things, because there's going to be a problem. And funny thing, it will affect the innocent immigrants.
Yes, of course.
Who are in South Africa doing legit business, who are there maybe working, who are there having all those documents. But now someone somewhere just came there.
You can never
king. How can you be a king whereas the Eastern Cape have his own king? Each and every province have his own king. So how can we be, even in your house, you are the man of your house. So are you going to allow someone to be the man in your house?
No, that will not happen.
So why is he doing this?
All right. Thank you
Why
so
is he
much.
doing this?
Yes. I think somebody need to speak to him though. Thank you so much for your call. God bless you so much. Every Saturday we have a very hot program like this, and so you guys are welcome. Remember, all my South African friends, please go and subscribe. I'm begging you. All of you go and subscribe to Top Gossip 24. We talk about issues that is going on between Ghana, Nigeria, and South Africa. That's what we do on this page. We give you guys the filler we want to give you, because sometimes we get all the filler, like the way some Nigerians are in Ghana today. They travel into Ghana in the name of going to do a missionary work, but they are doing something else. And I got the filler right now. I will expose them. They know what I'm capable of doing. Thank you so much, my brother, for calling in. God bless you. All right, let's go on the phone for the next caller. Guys, a lot of people are calling in, but when I'm on with someone else, I have no choice than to make sure I hold a breath, and then when that person is gone, I'm gonna reach out to you. Senior Beya, you can also share your thoughts on this platform, Top Gossip 24, with your humble servant right here. I have one person also calling, Nana. Let me reach out to Nana and see if Nana is ready. It's very important. So this is the man, right? Guys, this is the man that we're talking about.
Never be king in somebody's land. You can never be king in somebody's country.
Hello.
Hello, good evening.
Good evening. Mpacho odini baby I will free why. Ubetumi aka brofo dia misi twi na meda wasipa.
Me din dia say wa bo program no so dada.
Na me boy sisi I na me hu ha, but maybe
me din no na.
Okay,
I'm calling from Israel.
Mpacho
with the gym as I'm speaking now.
With the gym?
Yeah, you know what is going on in this country, but never mind.
Okay, go ahead, please.
Yeah, I want to contribute. Me percent me program me contribute. One of my sisters speaking your program come from, I think, as South Africa also. Yeah. My sister, if you are still in the program, or all the South Africans that they are in the program, all the Ghanaians support you. We support you 100%. So those people, me, I call them, they have mental problem, you know? They all, I don't even, I'm not going to, I know they will come and insult. It's normal because this is what they do. They will come and insult in your comments.
Yes, I've seen it. They insult for money. They insult for their job.
Yeah, they have mental problem, you know?
Dementia.
Imagine you have your house and you come and I receive you as a guest. And you decide to even crown yourself as a king. Who does that?
Who does that?
Unless you have mental problem, you know, they feel entitled. Wherever that they travel to, they feel entitled. Yes, I have arrived, so I have to show. They don't know how humble themselves. No, this is how they are. They have met, this guy, Hayes, all the time said that they have mental something.
Yeah, he said they have dementia. They have
all of them.
It's 85%.
Including the Chukudi that is in Ghana. He had mental problem. Yeah, so there's there's nothing you will say that they will hear. I think they need a psychological doctor to heal them. Because all the country that's in the world, everybody is complaining. Everybody is complaining. Who are you people? Who are you people? Yet it's saying, how do your parents raise you? How do your parents raise you? Wherever that they go, they have to expose themselves. Who are you people? Who are you people? And you call yourself giants of Africa. Giants of Africa. And you people supposed to set an example so that all the small, as you said, small Ghana, small whatever, so that we follow you people. But no, you people that you call yourself giants and big and whatever, and your nonsense, you just misbehave as if you don't have manners. What kind of people are you? You know what? Any Nigerian that he said is a good person, is calm, is whatever. You see that he's when you are like you work together or you have a friend. In the end of the way, you see that person start to misbehave. Think that his eyes open. You are so stupid. Ghanaians, we are all the time calm.
Yes, it's
you
true.
Understand?
Yeah.
Yeah, Brian wants to say, you say Jimmy.
We know what to see when you try a Ghanaian. He's being quiet for a reason.
They take that advantage. They take that advantage. Say Jimmy. Yes, how can you travel to Nigeria? You travel from Nigeria to come to Ghana to have a nap. Let me put it that way. When you see that country or that local people that you how do I say it? Then you started taking advantage. When they come to your country and they see that you are calm, then they started calling their people. Oh, this place is very nice.
Exactly.
You have to come.
That's what they are doing in Ghana.
The most nonsense part that they do is they started to do selling drugs.
Yes, of course.
To the community.
Yes, I saw it. I have a video. I want to play before I leave. They're selling drugs in Ghana by the street. All right. But you bet me a rapport upon mommy. Line is why a bit ankasa. All right.
They have mental problem, They have mental problem. I can't say Bahama na disappointing.
Of course, yes. We all believe that.
And are disappointing. Nanka Chukudi on is not even have a gut that staying in Ghana as now. So if what worry Infantino, some worry Infantino, nkoni to me class or better Ghana ho. How? And I blame the some of the Ghanaians also. They give that advantage.
Oh yes,
and it
I agree.
That opportunity to fool around.
I agree. Those people, they were, I think, say not a com and a diomo and
they try to be kind and he take advantage.
Yes,
I understand that.
A com and a diomo.
Let me ask that so-called a stupid Chukudi that when he's still living in Ghana now, if someone come from South Africa and come and live with him and started crying himself as a king, he will like it or not? He will like it.
He won't. All right,
African people, all the Ghanaians are supporting you. Keep doing what you are doing. We support you 100%. And I don't care what any Nigeria that will come to the comment section and come and insult. This is what they
we know them
so
for.
we know it.
Yes,
so we don't care.
Nah, I don't even read.
I will end it here.
Thank you so much. I will not even read their comment. Thank you so much. So this is one of our sisters calling all the way from Israel, and I have a lot of people on the line. But unfortunately, no, I'm trying my best. Trying to reach out to one other person also from South Africa. Whilst I continue to reach out to him, let me keep playing this video.
You want to protest now to go and steal people's goods, entering checkout.
He's saying that the South Africans want to protest because they want to go and steal.
As a big and pay game.
Hello. Hello.
Yeah, no,
Yes, sir.
Tete.
Oh, fine, will hear me. All the way from South Africa. Please go ahead. Brahima.
Oh, yeah, true call out now.
Straight up. Go ahead.
Charlie. Nibi ni we be na course na emilehi kula neke Igbo be na Nigerians problem na ba course ye ma na emilehi kula me neke okay in Johannesburg province no nibi ni ya no ye ma na emiele soleme jini do fe won soli ake ekababie eyake ye born ake province we different